Honorable High Court retired judges are beyond law. If they are retired, they can do anything against of the Supreme Courts as well as the Government of India's regulation. How I am saying like this? Can you able to believe it? Yes. What I am saying is correct. This is the words of the CSITA companies, beneficiaries in the branch of CSI Kanyakumari Diocese. You know that CSITA has different units all over South India. CSI Kanyakumari Diocese is the one among the unit of CSITA. See, there are so many illegalities, including election, administration, selling the properties, etc., etc., etc. They have done without the regulations of CSITA. See, so that the beneficiaries of CSITA sent complaints to the ROC and Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and the ROC and Ministry of Corporate Affairs ordered SFI investigation in the year 2013. The company went to the High Court as well as Supreme Court and High Court, and High Court at the Honorable Chennai High Court ordered that the investigation should be. So the ministry has to do investigation. The company again it appealed to the double bench court. There also the company failed, and the order is the court ordered that the investigation should be. Then now the company appealed the matter in the Supreme Court. The case is pending. On the situation, again the company is doing the same mistake, so that there are people, they have raised the question in front of the ROC as well as SFIO, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and went to the court also. The court ordered that there are two retired High Court judges shall be administered the said company CSITA and its different departments and its different units. As you know that CSI Kanyakumari Diocese is one among the units of CSITA. That also is to be under the control of the settled order, because there are 23 cases filed by different people, different beneficiaries of CSITA all over South India. The court joined the action, it has given so many orders, and finally the court ordered that all the administrators were removed and all the illegal persons were removed, and the court appointed administrators shall run the company. So on this situation, the company went to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court ordered that the company shall not conduct any election, CSI election or Synod election or any election. At the same time, the administrators should not do any new orders. At the same time, they are not removing them from the company. The Honorable Chennai High Court order is not been stayed. The order is still functioning, but there is a condition: they cannot take any action up to the next hearing. See, so many people, they have filed the case based on wrong matters. Means they said that CSI Constitution, CSI. We know that CSI is the order of worship, followed by the CSITA company to its beneficiaries. Because CSI has nothing, CSI has no registration, no PAN card, no income, no properties, no building, no institution, no employee, no employer, no beneficiary, nothing is with the CSI. Everything is owned by CSITA. So, there are some of the beneficiaries who present this matter in front of the Honorable Supreme Court. So immediately the court said, got angry and said that no more election, no more administration, no more new orders, but the administrators who are appointed by the Honorable Chennai High Court still stand. That is the order it is given by the Honorable Supreme Court. Supreme Court. On this situation, these courts appointed judges, that means retired judges, were still keeping quiet, and they are simply they are doing everything silent. Means they are in silent position. Immediately they removed persons. The Honorable High Court removed all the illegal persons and appointed these administrators. Now, the administrators cannot take any action, but at the same time, the court didn't say that the earlier people can enter. But without obeying the Honorable Supreme Court order, the earlier peoples, the illegal people entered and they are trying to do election. On this situation, some of the units started to do their illegal action continuously. For example, Madurai Ramanad unit of CSITA, they have planned to conduct an election, executive meeting, etc., etc. What has happened now? One person went to the court and the court ordered that Supreme Court says that no election, no the new direction. You are already removed by the Honorable High Court. That order was not been quashed or stayed or restrained, but the order is still there. So no more election. Be quiet. But like the same, South Kerala, there are one or two people, they filed the contempt of court saying that the court has given the order stating that the earlier people can take over the units and the company. So illegal, without knowing the fact, these earlier people filed contempt also. The Honorable Court said that you, the people, please know that you are already removed by the Honorable High Court. Now the company is under the control of the court-appointed administrators. So no more entry into the company's unit. Then this person who filed the case said that, sorry, I am ready to withdraw the case. But our court said that, no, I will give the order. What happened now? The petition was dismissed and stated that the administrators cannot do any new orders. At the same time, they will do daily activities and they can they can still in the company up to the next hearing of the Honorable Supreme Court. Now, the question is, this is the position of the court proceedings. On this situation, one of the other units, Kanyakumari Diocese, is conducting election. Do you think the Kanyakumari unit is away from law and order? They have no need of a court or they are not bound by the court or government of India? Okay, I want to say one or two words. See, in the Kanyakumari Diocese, there are some people. One is Asokan Salaman, another one is Christian Babu, another one Jayakar Joseph. They went to the court and stating that we are the CSI people. We are the court has to appoint some people, the administrators to have the election of us. Then the court appointed two the retired judges to have the election. Here, please note that they didn't add the company as a party. See, the company should have only one constitution, only one the constitution, only one registration, only one PAN card, only one audit report. On this situation, Kanyakumari Diocese PAN card is used by the people. The PAN card, CSIT's PAN card is used by the by its subunit, CSI Churches of Kanyakumari Diocese, as well as CSI Diocese of Kanyakumari Diocese. So please note that the Kanyakumari Diocese cannot do anything because it is having nothing. On this situation, these people hiding this truth in front of the court and got a order. See, in the OSA number 226 of 2022, ordered on 25/3/2024, stated that the retired judges can do election. Okay. So, which election? One thing I have to say, in the common order given by the Honorable Supreme Court of India, there is a case filed by some of the people, and they have ordered some of the units, including Kanyakumari unit, Medak unit, etc., to when they filed the case in the Honorable High Court Chennai. On that case, the court ordered that administrators were appointed, these people, illegal people were removed. The same case was appealed to the Honorable Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court said that no more election, no more administration, no more decisions based on these orders. On this situation, do you think the judges are away from this order? Do you think it is if they are conducting any election that is illegal or bound to be a contempt of court? That is, the answer is left to you. Please note that the administrators passed an order proceedings stated that they are going to have a election on 13th, coming Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. They are going to have a election. See, if there is an election, company's unit election, the voters list is needed. Voters list should be given by the CSITA company. We know that if you are a government, if you are an Indian, your voters ID is an Indian voters ID. Okay. The Aadhaar card is also India's Aadhaar card. You can live in different villages. At the same time, your card is not a village card. As like this, the CSITA company has different units and subunits, and we are paying subscription to CSITA through its subunit, through its authorized department, evangelical department, that is CSI churches, and paying subscription, and the membership card should be given from the CSITA company, not from the church, because church is a subunit using the PAN card of CSITA. Church property is CSITA property, regulation is the CSITA, registration is CSITA, everything is CSITA. Do you think they can have separate voters list and separate election without the permission of CSITA? They cannot. They cannot. It is illegal. But so that if there is election, the CSITA units, Kanyakumari Diocese, they should get the membership card of CSITA company. the CSITA company has to give the membership card of the person who are also going to cast the vote. So here nobody is getting the membership card. No permission is given from the CSITA company. See, a company subunit cannot act its own regulation. They should get the regulation and permission from the company because it is a subunit. Here, they didn't get any permission. Another thing is, the government of Tamil Nadu, there is a regulation, no the aided school and college, aided institutions shall be used for religious meetings. Here, the honorable retired judges use the aided college, Scott Christian College, for their election. As like this, there was a function, it was done at Madurai. There are people filed a case in the Honorable Chennai High Court Madurai bench. The Madurai bench Justice Chandru has given the order to the collector as well as the commissioner of police as to arrest the people who are all entering in the aided institution. As like this, Scott Christian College is a aided institution, so that they know such a religious meeting can be conducted in the campus of this in the Scott Christian College. That means CSITA company subunit Scott Christian College, Nagarjuna. So the judges should obey the order because they know if a High Court order is still there, that is a common order to all the people. So here they didn't, without considering this order, they send their proceedings. So they didn't get the permission from the company. They didn't get the membership card, voters list, and they are not obeying the order of the Honorable High Court not to do religious activities inside the aided institutions. These are all the regulation, government orders should be obeyed by a charity company like CSI TA. Here, now I am coming to the Supreme Court order. See, the OSA number 188 filed by the people, there are the different respondents. One among them is Kanyakumari, CSI Kanyakumari Diocese. So, the Kanyakumari Diocese also the administrators were removed by the Chennai High Court. Sorry, earlier illegal peoples were removed by the High Court Chennai and appointed the two judges. That means Kanyakumari branch is also the control of the CSITA appointed judges. So, these people cannot act based on the wrong earlier information. The same OSA 188 was appealed by the company in the Supreme Court, and they said the Supreme Court order stated that no more election, the judges are still there, they are not been removed, and the retired judges appointed by the court to the administration of the CSITA and this CSI Senate, they cannot take any action. Sorry, any order, they cannot have any new orders. At the same time, they should be responsible for all the units and subunits, means dioceses and subunit schools, colleges, churches, etc., etc. So, my question is, do you think the retired High Court judges are away from the law? Do you think they are they cannot follow the regulations of the honorable courts? Whether they are bindable or not, whether they are under the control of the government of India or they have separate regulations, I don't know. So answer is to you, because the said order the Kanyakumari Diocese is a party. If they are the respondent or respondent, how they can do a separate election for its for the against of the Honorable Supreme Court order. But the beneficiaries of CSI are still thinking that, oh, judges are away from the court order. The court order will not be bindable to the retired judges. Another one person called me, sir, you are wrong. Huh? The judges are appointed there. They will not obey the order of the government of India. They will not obey the Supreme Court orders because they are also the judges. What a foolish talk. I don't know whether it is correct or not. That answer is to you. Whether the Supreme Court judges are bindable or non-bindable. They are under the control of government of India and they are answerable to the Supreme Court or not. That the answer is left to you. So, my dear friends, since I am the party of the SLP, I sent a notice to the above persons to obey the Honorable Supreme Court order. But I hope they will obey. We can see the result in the near future. And the questions are there. So many questions are there. And you can put the answer for each and every question. We can see in another video. Thank you.